What is the best way to manage accurate SaaS user data? Imagine trying to keep track of hundreds of users across multiple software applications. Without a clear plan, it can get messy fast. Managing user data in software as a service environments is all about keeping things simple, secure, and up to date. The key is to put solid practices in place that make managing user information smooth and reliable. First, using role-based access control helps assign permissions based on what each person needs to do. For example, a sales team member might only see customer data, while an admin has full access. This keeps data safe and makes permission changes easier when roles shift. Next, automating user onboarding and offboarding is essential. When someone joins or leaves, their account should be created or disabled automatically through integration with human resources systems. This prevents inactive or unauthorized accounts from lingering and causing risks. Applying the principle of least privilege means giving users only the access they need to do their jobs. This minimizes security issues and limits damage if an account gets compromised. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to verify their identity with 2 or more methods, like a password and a code sent to their phone. Single sign-on simplifies login by letting users access multiple applications with one set of credentials, making it easier and more secure. Regularly reviewing user permissions is another important step. Checking who has access and removing outdated permissions keeps data accurate and compliant with security policies. Centralized identity and access management systems allow teams to control user credentials across all SaaS platforms from one place. This makes it easier to see who has access and to make updates quickly. Protecting user data is vital. Encrypt sensitive information, use secure transmission protocols, and follow regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Keeping detailed logs of user activity helps spot unusual behavior and supports audits. Managing licenses actively also helps avoid paying for unused accounts, which keeps user data current and reduces costs. In practice, linking user management with HR and IT systems allows real-time updates on employee status. Automating workflows for onboarding, role changes, and offboarding reduces human error. Using SaaS management tools that support centralized identity management, role-based access, multi-factor authentication, and audit logs makes the process easier. Establishing company-wide security policies, including strong password rules and multi-factor authentication, is a must. Regular training for staff on security and compliance keeps everyone aware and prepared. By following these steps, organizations can keep their SaaS user data accurate, secure, and compliant. This approach helps operations run smoothly, protects sensitive information, and supports growth without losing control over user access.